They all say just use your iPhone to scan. But okay, cool. How? I'm going to show you how to scan straight into a folder on your Mac and straight into an email on your Mac and also straight into an email in your phone so that all your bases are covered. So if you want to scan using your phone straight into an email on your Mac, you just go into the Mac Mail app and you open a new email and then click in the body of the message down here. And you want to do a right click. There's a few different ways of doing that. On the laptop trackpad, you just put 2 fingers down on the trackpad and press. If you have the mouse, you just click on the right side of the mouse, or you can hold down Control on the keyboard and just do a regular click here in the body of the message. And then the thing you're looking for is right under here, under Lucas's iPhone, insert from phone. You might see that as well down in the bottom of this menu, and then you go scan documents right here. So when you click that, it does this magical connecting to the iPhone thing, and now you can just point your phone at the paper that you want to scan, and it'll add that first page. And then it says ready for next scan. You just move that first page out of the way, put the second page, line it up here. Keep your hand as steady as possible. and then you just hit save down in the bottom right, and it saves it magically into the email. And it just took those 2 photos and put them into a PDF in your email. So this is ready to go. You can send it to whoever you need to send it to. So now let's say you want to scan something straight into your phone using only your phone. You just go into the Mail app on your phone and then go down to New Message in the bottom right. And then similar here is you need to tap in the body of the message. So you tap here in the body, and then you're looking for this little angle bracket thing here on the right side above the keyboard. So you just tap on that. And then the one you want is the document that's kind of within the square here. You tap on that, and then same thing, you just point the phone camera to the document that you want to scan, maybe the void check or whatever, and then you just hit save in the bottom right, and boom, that attachment is now in your message, and it's ready to email to whoever you want to send it to. Now, last but not least, maybe my favorite option of all is you can do that same thing straight into a folder on your Mac. So you just go into maybe your documents folder. If we go to documents here, and you want to scan straight into here, or maybe you want to go into finance and put a receipt in here, something like that. While this is open, you just hit the 3 little dots up in the top right, and then you can go import from iPhone and then scan documents. You can also go do the 2-finger click or the Control click thing here in the empty space and say import from iPhone, scan documents. Same thing here. The phone opens up to the scanner, goes straight to the document that you want, and then you just hit save, boom, like that. And now that file just instantly shows up on the computer here, and it is just about the coolest and the easiest thing ever. Boom, Mac Epiphany. Now, the small print is this will only work if you have a relatively recent iPhone and Mac, and they're both using the same iCloud, the same Apple ID. If you don't see the things that I'm showing in this video, just book a consult with me or someone from my team. We would love to help, and we will make it easy to get where you want to go. If you found this helpful and you want some private Mac coaching with me or someone from my team, just head to macinhome.com/booking. We work with people all over the world. We'll help you with whatever is on your Mac problems list, and you will never feel judged or shamed for whatever mess you're in. Okay, cool.